This is my new autocross setup I'm going to give a try this year. 19 by 11 plus 15mm offset with 315/30 19s at all four corners. As you see it here, I am using a 25mm spacer all around, although in the rear a spacer is not really needed. And in the front I think I can get by with about a 20mm spacer. So in the future they won't stick out quite as far, but I am debating on going with some kind of fender flare as it is pretty close. I didn't have any issues with rubbing at this event, but this was a fairly smooth course. We'll have to take a look at that in the future and decide where to go. But as of right now, I'm really liking the new setup.